The recent visit of General Li Quming, commander of the ground forces of the People Liberation Army of China, to Pakistan has significant legal and strategic implications. Here the legal analysis of the visit. General Li Quming visits, including meetings with the Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif and the Army Chief General Syed Asim Munir. The discussion focused on deepening military to military ties, regional security, and enhancing bilateral defense cooperation. Legal implications. Bilateral agreement and treaties. The visit underscores the importance of the bilateral agreements between Pakistan and China, particularly those related to defense and strategic cooperation. These agreements are legally binding and form the basis of the military collaborations, including joint exercises, training, and intelligence sharing. Sovereignty and non-interference. Both countries has doing their commitment, respecting each other's sovereignty and non-interference in their internal affairs. Their principle is enhanced in the international agreement and crucial for maintaining stable bilateral relations. Regional security and stability. The visits highlight the role of military cooperation in promoting regional security and stability. Legal frameworks such as United Nations Charter and the regional security agreements support such collaborations, aiming to prevent conflicts and enhance peacekeeping efforts. Counter-terrorism efforts. The decision on the counter-terrorism aligned with the international legal standards, including United Nations Security Council resolution on combating terrorism. Both countries have legal obligations to prevent counter-terrorism, ensuring that their actions comply with the international human rights law. Challenges and considerations. Transparency and accountability. Ensuring transparency and accountability in military cooperation is essential. Both countries must adhere to international legal standards, including those related to arms control and use of force. Human rights concerns. Any military collaboration must consider human rights implications. Both Pakistan and China have faced criticism regarding human rights practices, and it's crucial that their joint efforts do not form any concerns. General Li Quming's visit to Pakistan enforces the strategic partnership between the two countries with the significant legal implications for bilateral agreement, religion, security, and counterterrorism efforts. Ensuring that these collaborations adhere to international legal standards and respect human rights is essential for the sustainability and effective cooperation.